What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Um, Today I'm gonna try and do like a live trading vid. Hopefully I can align these correctly. It is currently 8:47. It's 8:47, but I'm on the East Coast like I told y'all. So it's actually 5:47 back at home. And I do not trade pre-market, so we're gonna see how it goes. The only reason I'm trading pre-market today is because at home I never get to trade it because it'd be 5 in the morning. So we just gonna see if any setups present themselves. And if they do, they do. If not, shoot, it's good. We got a few hours to trade. So right now, looking at the markets, everything is bullish so far. Covered E Russell higher time frame, bullish. We go S&P bullish, and last but not least, NASDAQ is bullish. So we're only buying today, only looking for buys. So let's drop down to, let me take these off. And then we could drop down to our, I'm gonna just mark some 1 hour zones just in case. No, I don't usually do this, but I just want to see, like, just to see. Okay, so you drop down to the 15. Let me mark up some here. Hopefully I could catch a dub, man. It's Friday. I'm trying to go out with a bang. Bro, this Wi-Fi is like crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling S&P more only because this zone looks way better, and on the hourly it has all this up here to move. So I am feeling S&P a little more. Hopefully we could get that one. You see NASDAQ is closer to this high, which is fine, but I prefer S&P, honestly. So gonna see what's up. Right here. And this is what broke. Alright. Now you just set your alerts and wait. This wick is crazy. I'm not even logged in. What the heck? Hold on. Why did it wick like that though? Like what the? I think it is at all time. This is another reason why I like S&P. Like they're not at all-time highs either. I want S&P. I need S&P. I need that. S&P, I need that. Alright. Well. Market opens in a few. Yeah. So now we just wait. That's literally it. Russell looks like it's gonna hit top first, but I don't know how I feel about Russell for real. So we just really just gotta wait. Tweaking. Alright. I must came right to this and then gonna go back. That's fine. All right, y'all. Um, so I'm on my phone and obviously the Mac as I'm screen recording off of it. So we ended up getting a tap on E. Russell first. Let me show y'all S&P. That's what happened, and that's the same thing. But again, New York Stock Exchange did not open yet, so we could possibly get a retracement during that time and then headed back bullish. Prayerfully, that's what happens. But yeah, like I said, so Russell ended up coming back down first. So we'll see what it does. I'm on my phone because I can't trust this Wi-Fi right here at all. It keeps disconnecting randomly, and we don't have time for that. So my phone will be on standby. But that's just what's going on right now. So yeah, we just continue to wait. Like I said, hopefully, S&P could give me a setup because that's what I really want. But if not, that is okay. That's why I trade two different pairs besides S&P, because something will give you a setup, sometimes it won't. But I don't want to be confined to one pair. Some people like that though. There's nothing wrong with it. I just prefer to trade. I don't want to put all my eggs on one basket, even though it will be more simpler. But the reality of trading is most of the time you will be waiting. And that's just what it is. Let me get my charger though. Yeah, I'm gonna get my charger for my Mac. 1 sec, y'all. You know them chargers when you gotta like finesse the cord? That's how his is. You gotta play with that little shit. So as you can see, we tapped into the zone. Now what I'm looking for is if this candle closes above this EMA right here. If it closes above, that will be our entry. It's kind of risky considering that there's like 20 minutes till the open, and I've never traded the open before, so I really don't know how to feel about that. But besides that, should be good. I just pray that we don't get manipulated and then it starts moving, because it is 9:12. It opens at 9:30, but it's happening at a perfect time because like all this retracement is happening at a good time, because when 9:30 presents itself, everything should go back up. But I'll take whatever the market gives. I could say all this stuff saying it should do this, should do that, but in reality, what is it going to do is the question. So I'm getting alerts. That was crazy. All three of them set up at the same time. Okay. Okay. That's fine. So all three of them set up at the same time, and it is 9:13. We're still waiting because I still need that candle. I still need that candle closure above an EMA. And again, real quick, just to tell y'all why I like S&P more, is because you see NAS hit this high, right? This is on the hourly. E. Russell hit this high, right? S&P still has all this room to move, all this liquidity up here. So I just like that way more. But this never came down to my 15. So still waiting on that. Come on, S&P. Talk to me. Talk to me. Whisper in my ear real quick. S&P, talk to me. But they all look good though. All of them look good. If I were to choose best to least, best would be S&P. Second would be E. Russell. Russell looks amazing. And lastly would be NAS. Because if you look, NAS 200 EMA is flat right here. We entered on Russell, but they got me in late because once I entered, it was the open. So it did like a bullish push, and it just put me in late, but we're still in it right now. Come on, Russ. You know you want to give me that high. Give me that high. See, now I'm managed. Like, I'm looking at the trade on the 1 minute, just FYI. I guess keep wicking at the same spot. The heck is right there? If it breaks and closes above that, then we're overly green. Because it's wicking right here mad, like overly. Come on, Russ. Hey, man. Come on, Russ. Talk to me. Come on. Just give me one more push like you did, baby. I was finna say I should have put my standard lot on it, but it's all good. We good, chat. Hey, chat. Y'all saw firsthand. I could try and ride it to 1 to 3. That's the thing about. Hey, no cap. I might start trading. Like back at home, I might start trading the open more often. I don't get like volume pushes like that at home. Like I literally just caught a 1 to 3, and I caught a 1 to 3 in like 10 minutes, bro. Cause I risked 2. It would have been 600. All right, y'all. It got a little hectic. I'm not gonna lie, but it's cause my camera battery died. Camera overheated. Then over here, Wi-Fi was giving out on my Mac. But just to show y'all what happened, we ended up hitting for just about 1 to 3. We got out before all this happened, but yeah, my entry was late. I was entered right here, but it gave a bullish push once it closed because this was the 6:30 candle or the 9:30 candle, and it got me in a little late, but that was the trade. Took it up, hit 1 to 3 just about, and it's really that simple. So right now what I'm finna do is withdraw those funds and enjoy the rest of my trip. It's really that simple, bruh. My dad saw firsthand what happened. Y'all saw firsthand what happened. And now it's time for a withdrawal.